If you've ever looked into Kajabi as your online business platform, this is the best time to jump onto the platform. They are running a promotion right now starting today where you can get 3 months of Kajabi for $99. This is a substantial discount, and Kajabi just doesn't run discounts ever. They never do it. They don't have to. They're just awesome. They don't have to run discounts. They almost never do. So this is unheard of. And I talk to a lot of people who, when they talk about Kajabi, and this may be you, they say, I would love to jump onto Kajabi, but I really want time to get something going to make it worth it. Now, first of all, I will say, I think Kajabi is worth it for the full price from the very start. When you look into replacing your email marketing service like MailChimp or ConvertKit, your website hosting like WordPress and or Bluehost, when you look into replacing your sales funnels like ClickFunnels or your landing pages like Lead Pages, you look into all of that, you put it all in one place that does it really well, not to mention hosting your courses and your membership sites. It makes Kajabi worth it at its absolute full price from the very start, which is why this is so incredible that they're offering this. This gives you the time and space you need to get everything set and ready, to get your email list set up, to get a good website set up, to build and launch your first mini course, and to start making money right away on Kajabi. 3 months is a good long time to do it, and you can get it right now for $99. And if you're gonna jump into Kajabi, be sure to use my link. There's a couple of things that you're gonna get in addition to the 3 months for $99. The first perk that is exclusive to my link is a free 45-minute Zoom call with me. When you sign up, you'll immediately get an email with a link to schedule a time that's convenient for you. I'll jump on a 45-minute call with you to help you get started on the platform. We're gonna discuss any questions you have about Kajabi, what to do first, second, and third on Kajabi to set yourself up for success, getting your first mini course up and running, and how to start making money on Kajabi ASAP. That is something that I'm offering to anyone who uses my link, and it's exclusive to my link as a way to say thank you. And then you're also going to get my $25,000 course launch email template. This template is the exact email and email launch strategies that I used to launch my first course, which made over $25,000 in the first 3 launches. Once your free trial is up and you're on a paid Kajabi plan, you can get that just by emailing me. But you get the 45-minute Zoom call right away, and this is the best time to get this going when you have 3 months at just 99 bucks. That's $33 a month. My link is an affiliate link, so when you use that, I do get a small commission. So this is just my way of saying thank you because I appreciate it so much. And I want you to be successful on Kajabi. I want more and more people to be on the platform, building businesses around their passion, their expertise, their skills, and their knowledge. So this is gonna be a fun way for me to connect with you. This promotion starts today, and it's only open for a couple of weeks. So you wanna make sure you take advantage of this right now. And to help ensure your success on Kajabi, I'm gonna actually do something I'm calling Crush It on Kajabi in 90 days. I'm gonna do 90 straight days of Kajabi videos. We're gonna talk about everything from what Kajabi plan to select, to how to set up your website, to how to navigate the Kajabi dashboard, to how to plan out your first mini course, to how to set up your lead magnet, set up your landing pages, set up everything that you need to get your business up and going on Kajabi. And we're gonna have 90 straight days of videos on this channel just about Kajabi and your online business and how to be successful. So the best thing you can do is go ahead and get on Kajabi, get familiar with it, and then those videos are gonna start on this channel on July 16th. LaneSebring.com/Kajabi has the links that you need for this promotion. I can't wait to see you on the 45-minute Zoom call, but more importantly, I can't wait to see what you do on this platform. If you have more questions about Kajabi, check out this playlist right here and we'll talk more in there. So click right there on that playlist and I'll see you in there.